going on? Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this DIY industrial fan. If you're interested on how I did this, please continue watching. For this project, you will need a hot glue gun, wooden sticks, a funnel, a lighter, pliers, scissors, a cardboard box, wire planter hanger, canvases, E6000 glue, tacks, spray paint, an empty container, and fan blades. To start off, you want to take the funnel and remove all the labels. Once you have all the labels removed, you then want to cut half of the funnel's nose. I did this by taking the lighter and heating up the plastic so that I could insert the scissors to cut around the nose of the funnel. Next, you want to take the planter hanger and remove the chain. Once all the chains are removed, the holes where the chains were attached, you want to take your pliers and bend that backwards towards you. Next, you will take your small container and attach that to the inside of the basket using your E6000 glue. So that the glue could have something to stick to, I decided to cut a small circle out the same size as the bottom of the container to attach to the back of the wire basket. I did this by using the hot glue gun. You want to take your funnel and measure it against the plastic container. You want to cut a hole in the bottom of the plastic container the same size as the top of the funnel. This is done so the funnel can fit through the bottom of the container. This will be used as the stand. I will use the lighter to melt the bottom of the plastic in order to insert the scissors to cut the hole that the funnel will stick into. Once you have the hole in the bottom of the container, you stick the funnel through the hole. This is how that looks. Use some of the hot glue on the inside of the container to secure the funnel. Place the top back on the container to conceal the inside. have your fan halfway constructed, you then want to take the template of the fan blade, put it against the canvas board, and trace, as you will see here. You want to make sure that you trace out at least 4 fan blades. Here I am about to cut out the template of the fan blades. Because I used canvas board and that's a little thick, it was hard for me to cut out the blades. So I would recommend using a cardboard box or something thinner than canvas boards. Next, you want to assemble your blades together, like so. Once you have all your blades assembled and glued together, the next step is taking the top to the medicine bottle and gluing it directly in the center of the blades. The other 2 medicine tops will be glued in the back of the blades, and then that will be glued to the center of the container. Once you have the tops glued in place, you will then take the tacks and poke them around the blades. The tacks will act as embellishment and add a little detail to the blades. So after that's complete, you want to take the fan outside. I decided to go with a black base and silver blades. I also took some of the black paint and went around the fan blades to give it a rustic look. Well guys, that is it. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button. That way, every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you so much again for watching.